Your sales team is moving fast, closing deals across regions in different currencies. But billing is stuck checking exchange rates, converting values by hand, and re entering numbers just to get revenue recorded right. Every deal becomes a spreadsheet exercise, and every conversion becomes a chance for error. That's exactly what we're fixing today. In this demo, you'll see how Konnectify automates currency conversion end to end and syncs accurate billing data across your workflows. Meet the currency converter. It automatically converts amounts between currencies, so your workflows always run on accurate, standardized financial data. So, what can you actually do with it? You can convert amounts on the fly, map the converted values wherever you need them, and carry standardized currency data into every downstream step of your workflow. Let's set it up. Start by clicking Get Exchange Rates to choose your exchange rate source. You'll see two options here. Live exchange rates fetches the latest rates automatically, perfect for real-time conversions. Static exchange rates lets you lock in a fixed rate for consistent, predictable calculations. Now, configure the amount you want to convert. You can pull in one or more values dynamically from previous steps. Currency Converter processes them all and returns the converted results for whatever comes next in your workflow. From the currency dropdown, pick the currency you're converting from. This defines the currency of the amount you're about to convert. Then select your target currency from the dropdown. This is the currency your amount will be converted into before it moves on to the next steps in your workflow. You've got two choices here. Decimal returns the exact converted value, while round off rounds the result to the nearest whole number, whichever format your billing system prefers. With that set, map the source amount field from the previous step. This is the value currency converter takes in as the input for conversion. Here, in the required field, map the converted amount coming from currency converter. You'll find the converter's output available as exchanged amount. That's the converted value, ready to flow into the next step of your workflow. Time to see it live. A new deal is created in HubSpot worth 5,000 US dollars. The moment it lands, Konnectify captures the deal amount and passes it through currency converter, transforming it into the required billing currency. From there, the converted value syncs straight into ChargeBee, creating a subscription with the correct billing amount and currency. And there it is, a new subscription, live in ChargeBee. The deal that started in US dollars in HubSpot is now billing ready in ChargeBee, converted into the required currency automatically by Currency Converter. And that's the power of Konnectify's Currency Converter. Multi-currency deals are converted and synced across your workflows automatically. So finance teams always work with accurate, standardized billing data. No manual calculations, no delays. Thanks for watching.